Hello, my name is Tatiana Paula Polo Ferrer. I am a student of the degree in English as a foreign language in the UNAM. Today, I come to invite you to study a second language. Seeing this could bring your multiple benefits. Some benefit that you can generate by learning another language is the ability to grow both professionally and personally, since thousands of opportunities might open up to study in another country or have a better jobs. You can also get to know other cultures, which will allow you to share a conversation with a person who speaks that language with greater confidence and security. And finally, and very importantly, learning another language could reduce the risk of presenting senile dementia in the future. It is very helpful for her brain since you exercise your neurons. For this and for many other reasons, I invite you to be part of the self growth that decides to face the change of learning a new language. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.